I was going to turn this into a YouTube short, but apparently I suck at making short videos. So here we go. My car has an update. The update I have right now is from January 2023. So I just downloaded the October 2023 update, and it's currently on the flash drive down there, and it's updating. The whole time this is happening, I've had my car running, and it's currently in neutral. Yay, progress. Are you kidding? It's still an update to do? Alright, so it's rebooting again. That was the second time it had the update bar go across. My engine's still running, car has remained on. I've just been watching YouTube videos, and I will let you know that this October 2023 update was like 40 gigabytes, and it took quite a while to go through this whole thing. I've been in my car for probably almost an hour now, and that's the second time it says restoring data. And it's restarting once again. Okay, so that's normal. All right, so what's new? Let's go to details here. All right, so you can see the new update there. When your route encounters traffic, the system will automatically calculates and displays comparative time and distance of an alternate route. The navigation system always ensures that you can see how fast your current route is. That's pretty cool. This is interesting. So if you go in a tunnel, it can automatically roll your windows up. Very cool. Introducing Sounds of Nature 3. You can quickly switch between radio channels by entering the desired frequency using the numeric keypad. Alright, so if we go to General, you can see now it says updated this year, so today, and you can see all of the updated information there. It's definitely newer than what it was before. This is a 2023 Kia Forte GT manual. So even though it says 2022, you can still download it and install it on your 2023 and possibly your 2024. Another great thing I noticed about this update is the fact that before the volume went to 60 and you had to have it on like 45, 50. My music, my taste, I have it about 45, 50. And anything below that, really just you couldn't hear. And with this newest update, October 2023, remember, I had a previous update before that, so before January 23. So now it goes to 45, and 30 is quite freaking loud. So they adjusted the volume, is what I'm basically trying to say. Now you don't have to have it on like 50 to hear it. Somebody that ain't tried. Because the highest it goes is 45, which is loud as freaking crap. Holy crap. Anyways, I'm enjoying this newest update. Can go here and enter in the radio station like 95, 7. Okay. That's really freaking cool. I'm liking this update a lot.